What's good, YouTube? How you guys doing today? You already know what's going on. We bringing another banger in 2021. I hope you guys are having a blessed year. I know 2020 wasn't the best, but you feel me? We're in 2021. If you're watching this video, that is a blessing. So today, if you don't know who I am, my name is Jonathan Derinor, and I'm here to bring you something different. So today we'll be starting a new series. Today we'll be doing sneaker creation, and we'll be taking inspiration from the railroad. So the sneaker that we're doing today is a Ferrari inspired sneaker. So this series will come in 3 videos. The first video will be 2D drawing, idealization. The second video will be modeling the shoe in Blender 3D, which is a free open source software. And the third one will be texturing and lighting. Okay, that's enough talking. Let's get to the video.
Somehow you bring me a broken heart. Somehow you bring me a broken heart. Huh?
Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned for the next 3 upcoming videos, which will break down the whole process of how I created this shoe. So without further ado, I hope you guys have a blessed rest of the year, even though it just started, but have a blessed year. And one thing, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. All right, guys.